Today's February 22nd, 2019, and this is episode 52 of PlaneSavers. Good morning, folks. Oh my lordy, that sun is crazy bright. It is minus 26 degrees Celsius, minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit, and what do we have here? Great slave helicopters enhancing the audio this morning. And folks, here's the thing, I don't plan these things. Like, every time I turn this camera on, something takes off or goes by. You think we're at an airport or something. Oh, here, I'm getting a call from Ronnie. Here, hold on one sec. Cool, thanks Ronnie, bye. Okay, that was Ronnie checking in on his data tag that I have in my hand. So this isn't the data tag for DTD. And why don't I have the data tag for DTD? Because it is missing. Now, luck is have it, I snaggled Rod here. Hey Rod.
Hi.
So Ronnie sent the data tag off of the old Ken Bork machine in Hay River. He's had it since 1982. As long as me.
QHF. Right?
QHF, yeah.
Okay, well. Oh, this is a fabric one.
It's fabric?
Yeah, well, the whatever, micarta or some kind of. This is original Douglas Aircraft Company, first around the world. The factory number 13392, C47A. So this is the original C47A data plate.
So why isn't it on metal?
Because this is what Douglas sent out for a C47. So this is original C47A, but this is not the commercial data plate. The commercial data plate will be usually metal and it'll have stamped or etched engravings of the commercial.
So what data plate does transport need to see?
You'll need stainless steel or similar metal or original data tape that'll say conversion to a DC3C S1C3G.
Alright, so I got this loaded up here now. So this is the original DTD one. It's identical, eh?
This is the data plate you need. C47 to DC3C, converted by Canadair, blah blah blah. So this is the one. It doesn't have to look like this, but this is the evidence. And you have to get one that says C47 to DC3 on this date by Canadair, and give the serial number. See, this one doesn't have the serial number, so they use these two in conjunction to make one of all the data. Now this one is the aircraft identification number near the main entrance door. So aircraft serial number, nationality Canadian, property of DOT. So what this thing needs is the serial number, the registration, and the nationality. Lots of people put more to it. So this is the identification that goes near the main entrance door.
So what do we need to go ahead now and get transport to?
So basically we can go to Transport Canada and you do a missing data plate claim, and they may have evidence of pictures or drawings, and you have evidence of them for this airplane already. Then they give you authority to make a new data plate. It could be as simple as a non-combustible piece of metal with the required information. It'd be nice if these showed up somewhere, but at least you have pictures of them all, and you can confirm it with probably in those days was just a rubbing or a picture that would be on file for the aircraft to transport. Basically, we take the information, missing data plate claim, pay the fee, and then produce a new data plate with the required information and send that in.
Okay, so I guess we gotta make a new data plate. So folks, just a quick refresher. The data tags on our DTD airplane were stolen, which means you can't fly it without data tags. We got some spare ones now that we're gonna try to copy. We're gonna use the pictures. So tomorrow's episode is just gonna be a hodgepodge of content, but I'm gonna introduce you to the company who's gonna make us new data tags. Whew, it is chilly out now with that wind. So right now I have a special surprise for you guys. Let's head off to Ontario and see the airplane from the title card.
We're here at the highway side sign for the Tillsonburg Regional Airport, which is the home of the Canadian Harvard Aircraft Association. Way off in the distance there, you can see some of the hangars, sorry about the shakiness, of the airport. I'm going to take you on a quick little tour. As we head in, you see one of our hangars, and we're going to head over towards our maintenance hangar. My goodness, look what we see. We see an engine run happening. This is Bessie, CFUFZ, and she's just doing her post-annual engine runs and tests, and I guess I can't come in too much closer here at this point. I'm actually still sitting in the car. As I carefully make my way across the ice beside the taxiway, you can see that CHA's Chief Technical Officer Shane Clayton is doing a run-up and doing all of the pressure checks and temperature checks needed to make sure everything's been put back together correctly. Gotta love the sound of that ARC 1340. In the background, some of our volunteers, Mel, Jack, John, Diane, Sarah, are moving our genuine former RCAF engine crane into our maintenance hangar in preparation for hanging our recently overhauled Pratt & Whitney R1340 engine on our World War II vintage Mark II Harvard 3830 CF RWN to get her flying again after being grounded for a couple of years. Thanks to the amazing generosity of our members and supporters of our fundraising campaign, we were able to fund this overhaul, but as everyone in aviation knows, there's always a need for more. All of us here at CHA are enjoying watching PlaneSavers, following along, Mikey. And we thank you for taking on the project of saving DTD. We need to save, preserve, and fly these vintage aircraft so people don't forget the sacrifices so many of our young men and women made in wars and conflicts both in the past and to support those serving today. That's what we do here at the Canadian Harvard Aircraft Association with our Harvards, our Gale, and our Tiger Moth. And that's what you're doing with not only your fleet of DC-3s and C-47s and C-46s, but especially now with DTD. Thank you, Mikey, for rescuing her. I'll be shooting some video of our own current restoration efforts on a very special airplane, CF-BZT Bravo Zulu Tango, very soon, and we'll get that to you, Mikey, to show you that we too here at CHA are doing our part as PlaneSavers.
guys liked that trip to Ontario. That was fun. Thank you to the Harvard Association for sending that wicked footage. Whew, it is Friday afternoon. I'm going to get this footage edited and off to you guys as soon as possible. Tomorrow's episode, I'm going to catch up on content. That's a lot of content that I have to catch up on. So, have a good weekend. And here, we'll see, there's my father. Hey, Dad. Want to say a quick goodbye to everybody for the weekend?
Yeah, hey, everybody go out there and enjoy it. It's almost a spring weekend coming up. Hit the slopes.
Awesome. There you go, guys. We'll see you very, very soon. Saturday episode. Usually I live chat, so if you guys, probably around 3 or 4 o'clock p.m. Mountain Time, I'll be live chatting that episode. So if you're around, check it out. If not, hit that little notification bell, and YouTube will let you know when the video goes up. So cheers, guys. Have a great weekend. Stella, you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye.